Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate the Marvels theme on Instagram. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store. So once you open Play Store, you simply need to search for the Instagram and you need to update Instagram application by clicking on this update button. So once you done that, you simply need to go back and you simply need to open Instagram and then you simply need to click on the messenger icon on the top right. From here you simply need to select any conversation. So once you select it, you simply need to click on the name on the top. So once you are on that screen, you simply need to click on theme, and from here you simply need to select the Marvels, and here you can see that the theme is now changed. So let me show you. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.